Central Gardens Nature Reserve, located in Merrylands West, Sydney, is a 12-hectare urban park established in 1976. Managed by Cumberland Council, the reserve features diverse landscapes, including ponds, bushland, and open grassy areas. Notably, it preserves a remnant of the endangered Cumberland Plain Woodland, offering a glimpse into the region's native flora and fauna. The reserve is home to a variety of native Australian animals. The park's ponds attract waterfowl, including black swans and Pacific black ducks. For families, Central Gardens offers 2 adventure playgrounds equipped with inclusive play structures, shaded areas, and interactive features like sandpits and musical elements. The park also provides amenities such as picnic tables, barbecue facilities, and ample open space for recreational activities. Educational bush trails and a community street library further enhance the visitor experience. The reserve's key focus is accessibility, with well-maintained paths suitable for walking, jogging, and cycling. Facilities include restrooms, drinking water stations, and parking areas. The park is open daily, with extended hours during daylight saving time. Central Gardens Nature Reserve offers a serene escape within the city, whether for a leisurely stroll, wildlife observation, or a family outing. Loved this adventure? Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss another epic Aussie escape. From hidden gems to wild hikes, we've got your next adventure covered.